Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil makhluqeen amma ba'd. My dear brothers and sisters, in today's video, I would like to say about the meaning of the Surah Al-Fatiha. Al-Fatiha is the first surah or first chapter in Quran, and this is a chapter we are reciting in all our namaz. So it is important that we should know the meaning of it. Quran, if we are reciting with the with knowing its meaning, or by knowing its meaning, you will definitely get a lot of reward. And Fatiha is such a unique chapter which says about the entire Quran, and it is a very unique feature, like in all other three books, like in Injil or in Bible or in Torah or Taurat or in Zabur. In these books we did not have this like summarizing chapter, so this is a special thing which we have in Quran. So reading Fatiha regularly, it gives you a lot of rewards. It gives you best luck in everything. So let me start with the meaning of the Fatiha. First verse of Fatiha: Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. We also say it like in the name of Allah, who is generally merciful and specially merciful. Generally merciful means he is merciful for those who obey him or who do not obey him in this life or in this world. Specially merciful means he is especially merciful to those who believe, or to those who are obeying him in the in the hereafter or in the next life. He will give the special reward to those who have obeyed him, those who became mu'mins, or those who have faith in him. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All the praises are to Allah, who is the Lord of the worlds, who is the Lord of the universe. Or Alami, we say to all the things which are except Allah, all the creations what He has created. It could be this earth and all the planets or the stars, moon, sun, everything, including, and all the living and non-living things there. We call it as Alameen. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. He is the Lord of all the creation, all the worlds. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. This is again the repeating verse what we have in like Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allah is the most merciful and the most beneficent, or He is generally merciful and the specially merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin. He is the owner, or He is the Lord of the day of the judgment. Day of the judgment means when we complete our life here, then we have the judgment day, whether we'll go to Jannat or Jahannam. So whether we'll go to the paradise or we'll go to the hell. So based on that, there is a judgment day. We all believe in that. So Maliki Yawmiddin, the day of Deen, the day of the judgment. The only one owner of that day is Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. So it is the meaning of Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Only to you we worship, and only from you we seek the help. Iyaka na'budu. To you only we worship. We do not worship to any other. Wa iyaka. Only from you nasta'in. We seek the help. We ask any help. Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim. This is the prayer there. Ihdina, please include us. Siratal Mustaqim, in the way of Mustaqim, the way of the righteous people. Please include us in the righteous path. Siratal Ladina. In what kind of way? Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim, the way or the righteous way where you have bestowed upon us, or Siratal mustaqim alladhina an'amta alayhim, the righteous way where which you have blessed us. Ghairil maghlubi alayhim, please do not include us in those whom you are angry with. Ghairil maghlubi alayhim, please do not include us in the people those who are or those whom you are angry with or who are under your wrath. Walallalleen, also please don't include us in those people who went away, who went astray, who did not obey you and who went away from you. Please do not include us in that. Then we have the final verses. Ameen, please accept our dua. So this is the meaning of Surah Fatiha. Listen to this many times so that you can understand the meaning of Fatiha. You can learn the meaning of Fatiha, and whenever you are reciting Fatiha, it could be in Salah, it could be in your prayer, or otherwise also, we have to remember the meaning of the Fatiha. You will definitely get lots and lots of reward. May Allah bless us in the righteous path. So with this message, let me end this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر لي ولكم إنه هو الغفور الرحيم. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.